Hi, and welcome back to the channel talking about everything eBay related. Did you know that you could make money from eBay by selling anything on the eBay channel? You're probably thinking, what am I talking about here? What is this all about? Have you ever seen it? Why isn't nobody talking about it? This is some secret untapped in market. No. No, if you don't really know what happens on the internet when it comes down to marketing and how majority of the sales are driven on the internet, it's called something called an affiliate program. An affiliate program is like a glorified salesperson. You become a salesperson selling other people's. And the good thing about it, you don't have to touch anything. You're thinking, wow, I don't have to touch anything? How does it all work? Right, let's go into this and understand it very, very carefully. So the first thing we're looking at is called the eBay Partner Network. What do you need to have and what you need to start doing it? You need to have a website or somewhere you can drive traffic, making sure it doesn't go directly to the eBay site. That's quite important. Yep. And eBay, will check to make sure you've got the right, type of things. All you've got to do is have a basic website, or again, be able to send people to the eBay platform, not directly. What we mean by not directly is obviously you're sending some. Okay, you want to send them to without coming to you first. Again, you're sending them straight to there. We're not going to your particular site or something of nature. So that's the way to look at it. But I have been with this program for about at least 2010, over 10 years. It's very, very lucrative if you know what you're doing. Brilliant. So this is the thing you've got to have first, is you've got to ensure you've got all the right things. There are some particular things you've got to have before you sign up here, and it shows you. I'll just do it on a rate card here. It shows you what sort of percentages you can make from each particular category. So this is in the US dollars here. I think there is. I think I've got the. I'll just take it from the US dollars. But it's quite good. Now, as I said, I'm not going to try to tell you can be rich and famous here, but it's a very, very lucrative thing if you know what you're doing and if you can research particular good items that are selling and people will come to you, and they will check out. Now, how it works is that if I had a website, and I will explain to you the particular thing here, and this is what happens, and this is how people are making lots of money. If we did a Google search here, all right, to Google, let's have a look at a let's have a look at something we can find on eBay. A computer on eBay. Now, pay close attention to some of these particular things here. Now, if you can say that says buy feed, buy here, buy Shopzilla, buy so and so, what these are other companies with what we call an affiliate program. All right, these people, if I clicked on this and bought that product, this is an eBay item, by the way, Shopzilla, and I want you to pay close attention to what comes down at the very bottom of the screen here. Yeah, the Shopzilla one. I'm going to take it and just copy the link. All right, now I want you to pay close attention to what's at the top here. All right, she doesn't show you, but it doesn't actually show you at the present moment. But if you look, when I scroll over the actual window here, you can see where's the Shopzilla one. It's here. Oops. It's gone. There we go. There it is. Okay. That's the link where it says ebay.co.uk ITM. Now, after where it says toolkit something else, customer ID. If I get that link, show look, copy, it doesn't actually show me. It won't actually let me to do it. But however, what it is that what it is what we call an affiliate link, meaning whereby that person is using the eBay affiliate program to generate money. So again, as you click through, they make money. You can do exactly the same thing. You know, it's not so exclusive to the large companies. As long as you just, as I said, you've got a site and you direct them to the particular site, I will click on that and see where it goes to. It may take them. This is the whole sort of objective. Right, it's taking me to the product, but it's also got what we call an affiliate link here, and here it is: campaign, custom, and that information up here is the company behind it, selling this stuff. Now, so they are selling something is an Apple Mac, £35. It's in the category of, this will show us here. What be the piece, the PCs. So if we went back to the affiliate program, sorry, card. Let's go to eBay. It's called the eBay Partner Network. Now, once you've got approval for this, then you can actually try to work out what you're going to do. I always say before you even do this, and again, if you need some help and understand and to get into the eBay Partner Program, you just go and build a basic website and build a basic website and then apply. Yeah, before you do that, don't just apply and don't have all the the right information in here. So there's the rate card they've got here at the present moment on what are sort of percentages. They do range from different particular categories from 3% upwards, but it's pretty lucrative. But the thing is, and this is something that you say passive income you could have, or ways of doing things. If you haven't seen an affiliate program, every sort of large company is giving you the opportunity to promote their products and services. Some people pay you quarterly, some people will pay you monthly, and this is quite nice. The thing is that you just got to understand how can you obviously ensure that this particular thing that you're doing, you send traffic to it, it gains momentum, and obviously you don't have to be involved with this as well. There are particular ways you can do this. There are particular websites where they can actually bill, and they are focused on they get traffic from what we call organic traffic, meaning that obviously they sit on their website. You don't have to market or send any sort of traffic to it as well. So this is what we call an affiliate program. If you haven't done so on eBay, and it's called eBay Partner Network. It's something a lot of people don't talk about because not many people know how to do it well and be able to drive traffic. And there's many sort of tips you can do where you can sell your product and service and get a small commission. And if you've got something where you don't have to physically be there, all you're doing is actually selling other people's products and services. Isn't that great? And more, hope this information has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.